Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about C Murder, the rapper born Corey Miller, who rose to fame under his brother Master P's No Limit label. After a major legal battle and conviction, many are asking, where is C Murder now? Let's break it all down. Corey Miller, known as C Murder, was one of the leading voices in Southern hip hop in the late 1990s and early 2000s. He was signed to No Limit Records and built a following with his raw lyrics and street-inspired persona. Then in January 2002, a teenager was shot dead inside a Louisiana nightclub, and C Murder would later be convicted of that murder, forever changing the trajectory of his career. Miller's case began with the 2002 death of 16-year-old Steve Thomas in Harvey, Louisiana. After two trials, in 2009, C. Murder was found guilty of murder and sentenced to life in prison. Since then, his legal team has continued to push for relief, citing witness recantations, claims of coercion, and issues with how the trial was conducted. But as of late 2023, his conviction and life sentence were upheld by the appellate courts. Where is C. Murder now? As of now, C. Murder is serving a life sentence in prison in Louisiana, with no parole set for his case. He remains incarcerated while his legal appeals persist. Although he had been transferred within the state's corrections system and was placed in a transitional facility at one point, the latest credible information is that he is behind bars and will remain so unless his case is successfully reopened or overturned. C. Murder's story is a stark reminder of how fame and freedom can shift dramatically. From chart-topping rapper to serving life in prison, his life continues behind bars while this legal saga plays out. Whether his case sees a breakthrough remains open, but for now, his location and status are clear: incarcerated and under life sentence in Louisiana.